I want to give you a quick introduction to ILAS biology. So we're going to look at the course materials. We're also going to check the topics, and we're going to show you how the lessons are going to be delivered. So first of all is the course materials. We have 4 books. One of them is for the notes, we call it the textbook, and the 3 other books are for classified exam papers. What I mean here is that these books contain questions that are compiled based on the topics that we're studying. So let's say we're studying about the heart, then you'll find all of the questions from all of the previous exam papers that are related to the heart. The textbook is written in a way to give you all of the information, but the information are just given straight to the point. So you don't need to read any extra detail that you don't need for the exam. The textbook, as you can see here, is full of illustrations and explanations that would really help you to understand. The past papers are, as I said, they're classified based on the topic, but they can also get to see the answers. So the book has all of the questions. We can always get to the website and check the answers. The answers are written based on the marking scheme, but they're written in a way that it makes it really easy for you to read and understand these answers. So as you can see here, the website has sections. Now each one of these sections has the topics that you have studied, and you could get to see the class once again. So the class that we take online will be recorded, and you always have the chance to watch this class once or twice or as many times as you like, and you can always access the questions and the answers. These recorded class, as I said, they will be stored for you. So like you've taken 3 classes, you will always have these 3 classes recorded for you, so you can always watch them. Those classes will remain recorded until the day of your exam. Now let's move to talk about the curriculum. The curriculum of AS Biology is divided into 3 units. 2 units are the ones that give you the actual structure and information. The 3rd unit, which is the practical unit, which is unit 3, is based on the first 2 units. So while you're reading in the textbook, you will always have sections that are related to unit 3, and these sections are very well labeled to show you that this part of the curriculum is related to unit 3. The lessons are going to be delivered. The class takes 1 hour. So first of a class, we will have some quick review of the previous things that we've taken. And you can ask questions of things you don't understand. And then we'll move to explaining the new class. And finally, we will practice together some exam questions. The classes are delivered online. They are delivered with the help of simulations and explanation that makes it really easy for you to understand. So you will not miss the physical class because these classes are delivered right to your house with the help of modern technology. You have full explanation and you have the chance to watch this class more than once. Right after the class, you can always ask questions. You can send me the questions, or you could watch the class again, or you could even arrange for a free short session where you can explain the things that you don't understand. Now, it's really helpful to do tests to make sure that you're covering the material. So I will provide you with tests, and I'll be watching over these tests. These tests are delivered bi-weekly, so like every 2 weeks you'll have a test to cover up the topics that you have taken, and I'll mark up these tests and I'll send them back to you. Now, we will always have mock exams. Those are free mock exams that are given to you before the actual exam, like 2 weeks before the exam. And I'll mark up those exams as well. And I'll give you like a report to show you what are the things you're good at and what are the things that you need to improve.